Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 9, the stock exchange. From the word the stock exchange, it is very clear that this word you can listen in daily life also. Whenever we talk about stock exchange, means we are talking about shares. What are shares? Shares are the listed securities which is issued by a company to its shareholders. Now every company issues shares to raise money from public. Now every company does not have an authority to raise share, but some of the companies, like public companies, they can raise share in the market to collect money from the public. So the stock exchange is what you can say is, it is a highly organized market where listed securities, or you can say shares, can be bought and sold under specific rule and regulation. Therefore, what is a stock exchange? The Security Regulation Act of 1956 defined stock exchange as an association, organization, or an individual which is established for the purpose of assisting, regulating, and controlling business in buying, selling, and dealing in securities or shares, you can say. What is the meaning? This comes under treasury sector, which provides service to a stock brokers and traders to trade stock, bonds, and securities. And it helps the companies to raise their funds. Now what else you can say that? Here the securities, whenever we talk about securities, because we are saying that stock exchange is a market where we sell the securities. Now in securities, anything can come. Shares, stock, debentures, and government bonds also can come. This stock exchange is also named as security exchange or security market or share bazaar. It also encourages small savings. It mobilizes small saving for productive purposes. Now if anyone is having some saving, they can purchase share from the market and they can invest. After some year, if the share price will increase, they can get some extra money from that share. Therefore, according to Dr. K.L. Garg, a stock exchange is an association of persons engaged in the buying and selling of shares, stocks, debentures, and bonds for the public on commission and are guided by certain rules and usages. Or what else you can say? Stock exchange is an organized auction market, it is also known as. Next is some features of stock exchange. It is an organized market. It is a securities market. Securities market means you can sell shares, debentures, and many things in that market. It is an important constituent of capital market. It is a voluntary association of persons, and it is a voluntary association, and its membership is not open to everybody. By the word voluntary association, if you think that anyone can come and join, no. It has some process to join the stock exchange. In stock exchange, only the members can deal, that is buy and sell securities. The members of a stock exchange can buy and sell securities either as a broker or on behalf of their clients. Now no one can go in the stock exchange and buy the share. They have to go to the broker first, then only the broker will buy the share from the stock exchange and then it will give it to you. The dealing in a stock exchange are under certain accepted code of conduct, that is rules and regulation. Under specific rules and regulation only anyone can buy and sell securities in stock exchange. Important functions of stock exchange. Important functions are there in your book. That is, what is the function to the investors is there. Function services to the corporate sector is there in your book. And next one is services to the society. So from the book only you will read, that is services to the investors. the stock exchange serve as an investment guide to the investors. The stock exchange is also known as the liquidity of investment because the securities or the shares are liquid in nature. They can be easily converted into cash. Then next one is safety of investment due to fair dealing, because in stock exchange everything is going through a specific rules and regulation. Therefore, it is always there is a safety of investment, better use of capital if you are investing, protection for bad deliveries. There is a specific rules and regulation. Therefore, it will always protect the bad deliveries. High collateral values of listed securities. Sometimes the share, if the price of that share rises, you will get a proper return, high return from that share. Now, how it provides service to the corporate sectors? Because corporate sector, if they are introducing share, they will get a wide market for new securities. And if any company is introducing share, then the company's goodwill will also increase, because that company's share is in stock exchange, and if anyone sees that this particular share is listed in stock exchange, then they will think that this security is very good. That is why it is listed in stock exchange. Next is assist in development of companies, and then transfer of securities at suitable price. Because of stock exchange, it is possible. Creation of investors' confidence, because stock exchange only listed and which is approved, only that securities will be listed. Knowledge about future investment, and if you are investing in stock exchange, the broker will give you a rough idea that whether the price will increase or decrease. So you will get the knowledge about future investment. And last is encouragement to efficient companies. Now, how the stock exchange service to the society? Service to the society, because here shares are bought and sold, because therefore you can say capital formation is there. Industrial development will be there. Utilizing scarce capital for productive purposes. Economic mirror, you will see the mirror of the economic mirror, how my economy is going on. Safety in foreign investment, and last one is it is very useful to the government. This was the important function of stock exchange. Here it is given in point. In book you can see that it is given point wise. Now next one is history of stock exchange, or names and location of stock exchange in India, which is given in your book. The stock exchange was established by East India Company in 18th century. In India it was established in 1850 with 22 stock brokers opposite to Town Hall, Bombay. This stock exchange is also known as oldest stock exchange of Asia. Therefore, you can say that Bombay Stock Exchange was formed on 13 December, and its name was first Native Share and Stock Brokers Association. After that, Calcutta Stock Exchange came into existence. After that, National Stock Exchange came into existence, and after that, over-the-counter exchange, that is OTCE, came into existence. So this was a introduction of a stock exchange. From the next lecture we will start about types of, we will study about types of operators, or you can say types of members in stock exchange. Thank you.